here C++ or C or any other, there is problem user input, so I will fix it. We need C or C++ extension for smoothly running C or C++ code. So you install this package C/C++ extension pack. This pack install done. Now install another code runner. This another extension code runner dot run. Install this. Yes, installation complete. Now close and you go your code. Now you see the run button. And when type input cannot edit, so now fix this issue. Click the vscode setting button and click settings, and in search box you type code run and scroll down. Here you see this button code runner, checkmark this box. You can also check this code runner save file before. Close and now again run. Now it's working from terminal. So now you can import easily. So that's it. This is C++, and when I go C program, same it will work. Yes, working. So that's it. If you feel this video is helpful, you can like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.